My name's Dr. David James. I'm a professor of entomology at Washington State University.
My name's Allison Leonhard. I'm a research technician at Washington State University.
So I'm Drew Leggett. I'm the precision agriculture instructor for Blue Mountain Community College, and I'm here today to provide the drone services with this project, dropping the beetles and predatory mites for some IPM control in the vineyard.
Hi, I'm Andreas Newman, founder of UAV IQ with our BioDrop service, where we use drones with specialized intelligent hardware to do biocontrol applications for vineyards and other crops. And today we're out here doing some research to test and help develop new protocols to control mealybug in Washington State.
Okay, well, we're here today to see the drone fly and drop beneficial insects onto the vineyard to aid in biological control of mealybugs and spider mites. So this is hopefully an improved way of delivering these predatory beetles and predatory mites than going out delivering them by hand, which is obviously a more expensive and a longer process. We hope the drone can do it in a fraction of the time and do it very efficiently as well.